Hello guys, welcome to IT Networking. Can't change the Windows display language. So how to fix? Click to start button and go to setting. Click to time and language and regions. Add language. Like I adding US. Click to next. If you want to type this your language, and then click search and then select and then next, then install. You can set my Windows display language, so this is absolutely tick install. Okay, so now this is downloading. Please wait the language finish installations. So now it's installing, then take a good to find few minutes. Okay, so guys, when installation is finished, so please check. And this is second. You can set a primary, but move to up and down but when it is finished. Okay, so bye bye, take care. Have any issue, so please comment me, I will support you quickly. Take care, bye bye.